Let's learn 5 magical expressions in French. Number 1, tiens. Tiens, which means normally hold, but it can be used in various situations. For example, you brought someone chocolates, and when you're giving to them, you would say, tiens, je t'ai acheté des chocolats. Tiens, je t'ai acheté des chocolats. Or, tiens, aide-moi avec ces sacs à main. Aide-moi avec ces sacs à main. Number 2, pas mal. Pas mal. You might be familiar with this expression, commonly used to answer if someone is asking ça va, you would say pas mal. But there are many other situations where you can use this expression. For example, when you've accomplished something and you say, hey, look, not bad, right? So you'll say, pas mal, hein? Pas mal. Next expression, tant pis. Tant pis. This expression, again, can be used in several situations. Like, j'ai oublié d'apporter mes lunettes. J'ai oublié d'apporter mes lunettes. Mais tant pis. But never mind. Okay, I'm gonna repeat this expression. J'ai oublié d'apporter mes lunettes. Mais tant pis. Mais tant pis. I forgot to bring my glasses. Never mind. 2 more very handy and cute little expressions in French are au fait and en fait. Now, these might look and sound a bit similar, but they can be used in different contexts. For example, au fait gives you the meaning of by the way or to the point. And en fait can be used to give the meaning of in fact. In fact. Let's look at examples. Salut Pierre. Au fait, j'ai parlé à ton prof hier. Salut Pierre. Au fait, j'ai parlé à ton prof hier. Now let's look at the example for en fait. Tu as faim? Mais non, en fait, j'ai déjà mangé. Tu as faim? Or, as-tu faim? Are you hungry? Non, en fait, j'ai déjà mangé. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of these lessons. And it is very important to please give me feedback so that I know what's working best for you, so that I can work on my lessons accordingly.